हेलो एंड वेलकम टू क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट। मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर। टेस्ट क्रिकेट से थोड़ी दूरी पर है हम। इंडिया बांग्लादेश टेस्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट होगी 19 सितंबर से। दिलीप ट्रॉफी स्टार्ट हो गई है। रेड बॉल क्रिकेट, जो रेड बॉल फॉर्मेट का जो डोमेस्टिक सीजन है वो स्टार्ट हो चुका है, लेकिन दो प्लेयर्स मिसिंग है, विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा। और विराट कोहली की बात करेंगे आज हम, क्योंकि दिनेश कार्तिक ने कंपैरिजन दिया है विराट कोहली और जो रूट के बीच में कि कौन है बेटर टेस्ट क्रिकेटर। तो बात करेंगे साहिल मल्होत्रा से इसके बारे में। साहिल, वेलकम टू क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको पहले डीके की जो कोट है वो बता दूं। He says, look, numbers will tell you it's Joe Root, but my heart, the fact that Kohli is someone that I have seen play in close quarters for the longest time now, over a decade, and now I know how he loves playing those big moments, big series. Somebody has asked him questions. He will come back to you with an answer so strong, you'll be like, wow, why did I even ask that question? If I was given a choice, who would bat for my life? विराट कोहली, नो डाउट। तो ये बोला है डीके ने कोहली के लिए। आप क्या सोचते हैं?
I think it's a very tricky question, Soumya. Right now, given the way Virat has fared in his last few test assignments, keeping that 100 against Australia out of it, I think it has been a very, very lean patch with the bat in test cricket. And that was the case in other formats too before he staged that emphatic return, had the World Cup which he had in the 50 over format, made an intent in the IPL in the T20 format, but again found it very difficult in the T20 World Cup before that final 50 came in the all-important title clash versus South Africa. So on current form, I am a bit tilted towards Joe Root, but Virat Kohli has got class, and I know what DK is trying to convey here. It's more of a sentimental thing. Virat Kohli Test cricket, that's like a very intense equation which we are talking about, and that is what DK is referring to. He'll always come with answers. You'll put a price on him, kind of, to bat for your life. That is pretty much true. But अगर आप करंट फॉर्म देखें, आई थिंक 16 से 17 हंड्रेड्स जो रूट उस ड्यूरेशन में लगा चुके हैं, जहां विराट के सिर्फ 2 लगे हैं. सो क्लियरली लास्ट 3 से 4 साल की अगर मैं बात करूं, वहां पे जो रूट हैज काइंड ऑफ leapfrogged that Fab Four discussion which we had. Me and Kanav had a very good discussion a few days back here on Cricket Next, where we were discussing Joe Root, Steve Smith, Kane Williamson, and Virat Kohli. All 4 quality players. But अगर आप लास्ट 3-4 साल की बात करें, करंट करेंसी की बात करें, जो करंट रेलेवेंस आ जाता है, उसके अंदर जो रूट हैज जस्ट जंप्ड अहेड ऑफ एवरीवन.
ओके, बट कहीं ना कहीं साहिल, एक कंसिडर ये भी करना पड़ेगा कि वो लीन बैच चल ही रहा था, 100 नहीं आ रहे थे विराट के ऑलरेडी तीनों ही फॉर्मेट में। तो कहीं ना कहीं टेस्ट क्रिकेट की हम उतनी बात शायद नहीं भी कर सकते, क्योंकि फिर रिमेंबर ही केम फ्लू बैक टू इंडिया फ्रॉम दैट बॉर्डर गवास्कर ट्रॉफी। उसके बाद 5 टेस्ट मैच की सीरीज छोड़ी इंग्लैंड के अगेंस्ट, तो कहीं ना कहीं मैचेस भी कम खेले हैं। आई एग्री व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि नंबर्स गेम की जहां तक बात है, वहां जो रूट ने उन्हें जरूर ओवरटेक किया हुआ है, बट overall shayad Virat has an edge. What do you think?
I think he does, because he has scored runs in Australia, he has scored runs in England, he has had some very good contributions in South Africa. I think New Zealand could well be the only place where he hasn't been that consistently amongst the runs, but वरना हर जगह पर रन करे हैं, इंडिया में रन करे हैं. और थोड़ा इन प्लेयर्स का यार, मतलब whether it's विराट, whether it's अजिंक्य रहाणे, चेतेश्वर पुजारा, लास्ट 3-4 साल जो इंडिया में क्रिकेट हुई है, जिस तरीके की पिचेस हम लोगों ने प्रोड्यूस करी हैं, उसके ऊपर इन लोग का रन बनाना मतलब was very, very difficult. And comparing that with Joe Root, he got better batting conditions because England had a style of play which suited such tracks. So they could no longer be in a comfortable position dishing out or rolling out green carpet. So, true wickets were the way forward for them. And a batsman of Joe Root's class was never going to miss out on scoring opportunities on pitches like those. So that helped in Joe Root's favor. And Virat kind of had that challenges sorted out. But next 10 test matches, I hope he plays all 10 of them. He should, because this is like the last leg of Virat Kohli's international career now. T20s are and dusted. ODI is probably after the Champions Trophy. Test cricket probably after the WTC final. Who knows, man? Last 12 महीने हो सकते हैं विराट कोहली के. So why not that last few dances are worth remembering for everyone? And 10 test matches is a very, very long period of cricket.
Kind of a hurting comment this is statement. This is last 12-13 महीने cricketing career के शायद विराट के उस कौन जानता है. We just hope that he continues to play. But you rightly mentioned, it's a kind of a a very big debate in चारों के बीच में. In fact, I also, now he's retired, but I also consider David Warner a part of that club, जिसको हमें उन ग्रेड्स में रखना चाहिए कि this should be about Fab 5 and not Fab 4. This has been my personal opinion. But well, thank you Sahil, thank you for joining me in this session. दोबारा जुड़ेंगे और इन सारे प्लेयर्स के बारे में खूब सारी बातें करेंगे. Thank you so much.